Hey guys, welcome to Delve Stack, and this is how to fix your Minecraft TikTok cape not showing up. So, guys, if this ever happened to you, I have multiple solutions that I could provide or you could try. So, the first one is just simply logging out and logging back into your Microsoft account. So, guys, sometimes Minecraft doesn't refresh your profile data. So you just have to simply sign out to your account. And after that, you just have to simply restart the game and sign in back in. And this should fix the issue. Now, another solution for you guys is make sure you're using the right account. So guys, your TikTok cape is tied to the same Microsoft account you used to redeem it. So just simply check that you are logged in into the correct one of Minecraft Launcher or Minecraft Bedrock if you are using console, mobile, or Windows 10 or Xbox account for Bedrock. Another one is just simply restart the Minecraft launcher or the game. So you just have to simply close everything fully, not just minimize it, and just simply reopen it up. And this simple fix can fix the issue. Now, another one is check your internet connection. So, guys, the cape is cloud sync. So, sometimes bad internet can stop your cosmetics from loading. So, a simple checking of your internet could solve the issue. Lastly, if any of these doesn't work, you just have to reinstall the Minecraft launcher if you are using a Java. And if it's a launcher cache issued, just simply uninstall Minecraft launcher and don't delete games files. And after that, just simply reinstall from the official site. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.